Hi guys, I'm Aaron,
Hey, I'm Rizal.
And I'm Rafi.
and welcome to the Quotidian.
Quotidian.
Di nagsabay. Okay lang yan.
Diba? Oh my God. We chose the Quotidian as our podcast name for it simply means every day, and that we generate our choices based on what's currently happening and what's ahead of us. So, ayun, technically, we aim to be that podcast na you guys will listen to everywhere and anytime.
Yes,
So,
yes. It's a very good thing.
Yeah, we have a lot of stories lined up for everyone listening. Talk about life, talk about college, anything and everything. And we're excited to share all these stories with you.
Yeah, super excited. So, first let's talk about why we wanted to make a podcast. So, personally, I really wanted to vlog. Pero thinking about the circumstances that we have right now, especially COVID-19 and stuff, like vlogging is really like super hard. Like wala kang ma-content na maayos kasi nasa bahay ka lang.
Yeah.
So, naisip ko, why not mag-start na lang ng podcast, which is much easier to create a content for. Kasi nakaupo ka lang, then you just talk, di ba? So, that's why I started. That's why I wanted to start a podcast. What about you, Rizal? Why did you want to start a
oh yeah.
podcast?
So, kasi since then, I always have this fire igniting in me na parang, pushing me to share my thoughts to everyone.
Yeah.
Kasi I'm
No.
I'm
No.
putting like I'm composing a book or na parang ganon na I want a
Oh.
blog actually, not blog. Ayun. So,
With the letter
tapos
B.
yeah, with the letter B. Ravi.
Well, in all honesty with you guys, I never, ever envisioned that I would ever do a podcast. Maybe a vlog, maybe a blog, but never a podcast. But
Why?
I don't know. I just wow. I don't know how to do a podcast. But ever since quarantine started, I've listened to a lot of
Yeah.
podcasts.
Yeah.
Especially, I don't know if you guys know this, the one from hosted by Matt Barnes and Steven Jackson, the
Oh.
All the Smoke. I like that
Yeah,
pod.
yeah, yeah.
Mm-mm.
Maybe want to be like them, something better. And you never know. But I think it's
Yeah.
cool podcast because just chill, talk about anything, and
Mhm.
a lot of relatable stuff. And
Yeah.
Yeah, especially naka-online class tayo. And then sobrang prone nung eye strain. So, it's really easy na makinig na lang sa podcast instead of
Amen.
watching
Like go
videos.
out, no? Go out and
Mm-mm.
make videos of stuff. Tsaka marami na rin kasi nag-vlog ngayon. Like, tignan mo, like, since nag-quarantine, super dami ng YouTubers. Actually, yung mga TikTok stars nga ngayon. No? E din yung
Yeah.
mga artista pa, di ba? Puro vlogging na. So, parang, if we entered a industry with so many competitors, parang mahihirapan tayong mag-establish. And since podcast is a rising industry naman na, so
mhm.
I mean, why not start there? Since naman nagsisimula pa lang, di ba? That's why, if you're gonna make one someday, just do it.
Just jump into it.
Where have you ever
Yeah.
heard from any of your friends? Hey, I'm gonna start a podcast. No, you never hear that. Like it's rare that you hear
Yeah.
that. You
Super
hear your
rare.
I'm gonna make
Talaga.
a TikTok. Oh, I'm gonna become a streamer. Oh, I'm gonna become a YouTuber. Never they'll talk about podcasts.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yun. It's been months, no?
A
Almost
lot.
years? A
Yeah,
year?
almost.
So
Yeah.
it's months, but
Since
it's felt like
March.
years.
Yeah. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta yung quarantine life nyo?
I must admit it, it's suffocating inside.
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, sobrang stressful din. But then,
Then,
may bright
ano
side
yung butt?
talaga.
Ano yung butt dun? Parang iba yung
May bright
pagkakapigkas mo
side
ng
po.
butt.
Ay!
Ay,
Hindi.
parang may inspiration ka. Ha? Sana all.
Ah! Nako po.
Yeah. Sana all.
Wala.
Sana
Basta,
all.
ayan.
Ayan. Damn, no? Considering online classes pa, tapos with everything's going on, nangyayari sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, nakaka-stressful talaga.
A lot of
Tapos,
stress.
looking back pa, na parang, lala, nagagawa ko yun. How?
Yeah, oo nga, no?
Diba? Parang, ACAD, sports,
Gala.
something. Gala with
Nakakagala ka
friends.
pa nun eh. Ngayon wala
Tapos
na.
ngayon parang online class, tapos dire-diretso parang,
Yeah,
just wanna end the day.
true, true. Ikaw ba naman bigyan ng maraming gawain dyan na sunod-sunod? Di ba? Parang, you feel me? Yung parang ramdam niyo yung pagod. Kahit na nasa
Yeah.
bahay ka
Yeah,
pa,
totoo.
Yes.
kahit na sabihin mo, dapat sa bahay, relax ka lang. Pero kung binigyan ka ng mga sunod-sunod na gawain, kahit di ka yung procrastinator, yung parang, alam mo yun, late gumagawa palagi, pero
Totoo.
talagang mararamdaman mo yung bigat ng online class.
Yeah, kasi yung factor din na wala yung friends mo, parang mamimiss mo talaga yung the bond.
Support system, ganun.
Yeah.
Mm.
Kasi syempre, iba naman yung support na binibigay ng parents natin dun sa mga friends natin, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yun. Nakakamiss lang talaga. Like, di ba, before quarantine, me and Rafi, ano ba ginagawa natin noon, Rafi? Di ba pupunta tayong Evia noon, out of nowhere?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Well, it's like I don't know if this was the day before, but I think the day before they announced the quarantine here in the Philippines, we were just at our
Yeah.
friend's house. Just
Oh,
we just
yeah.
it was right. Like it was a
Yeah,
Sunday, and
yeah.
then the next day there was already an
Quarantine
announcement. Just
na.
what it was quarantine for 1 week, just 1 week. But
Yeah,
then
that
it
thing.
progressed to 2 weeks, then a month, and then
Yeah.
became the was the enhanced community quarantine. Then
Yeah.
just like that.
Then, out of nowhere, December na pala, no?
Oo,
Yeah,
diba? Sobrang bilis. Like, sabi namin, 1 week lang. Tapos after that, wala na.
yeah. It was just over after March. After March was just done. 2020
Yeah.
was just like that. For
Downhill,
in my
bro.
opinion.
Downhill. No, it's literally downhill from March. Like, March, wala na. Wala ka nang parang restrained ka na. Parang everything changed nga, di ba? Parang the world died. I mean, exaggerated siguro. Pero literally, when you think about it, parang the world literally died nung nag-quarantine lahat. Di ba? Yan ang COVID-19 yan. 2020, man. New decade. Dapat masaya, di ba? Kaso hindi.
Yeah.
COVID-19 had other plans.
First year with 20s and it was just so bad.
Yeah. Nice.
But,
So, yeah. What?
feeling ko naman may lessons na
Oh
nakuha
yeah.
tayo.
Oh,
And
definitely.
There's a lot.
yeah, there's a lot. So, ayan, let's start from there.
Like what? Like, ano yung mga lessons na nakuha nyo from this quarantine? Quarantine. Lumalabas yung pagka-Pilipino ko. Sorry. Joke lang.
Go lang.
So, ano yung mga lessons na ano nyo?
I found a lot of new hobbies na I was so scared to do dati kasi nga because of the hectic schedule I had noon, face-to-face classes.
Ano yung mga hobbies na yun?
Especially painting talaga. Like,
Artist.
hindi naman.
May artist dito,
Pero
may
kasi-
artist dito, Rafi.
Pero kasi parang I do that for kapag I'm lost.
Yeah, really gets you going, di ba? Very inspirational din.
Na parang you have to stop for a while and then look kung ano yung what's really important, which is your mental health. Guys.
Amen. Preach. Ikaw, Rafi, ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon? Or what did you learn?
What I learned about myself, in all honesty, I learned I'm lazy as hell. No,
Relatable.
I know a lot,
Super.
especially my parents. They told me, Rafi, you're so lazy sometimes. Why don't you change that? And I didn't want to believe them because I don't want to say I'm lazy. But
Yeah.
ever since March, the end of March, I just didn't do anything for first couple of weeks or months. I didn't do anything. I just stayed in my room. I just played video games. I just ate. And there's one hobby that I did pick up that I really
What is
enjoy.
it? What is it?
That is golfing.
Wow.
Wow.
Not
Pang
bad.
rich kid, no? Pang rich kid.
Sabi talaga, Rafi.
It's not like golfing yet, but like I've been going to the driving range for like the past weeks, and just it's so fun. It's just people say it's boring, but I don't know. I find it kind of fun.
It's fun. Wait lang. Dragon Rings? What's that? Ano
What?
yung Dragon Rings na yun? Dragon Rings. Parang golf term ba siya?
What the hell is dragon? Don't ask me.
You said.
I'm not a golfer yet. I'm not a golfer yet, dude.
Okay. Chill. I'll ask you that, I'll ask you that some other time. The next episode.
In the next episode.
Yeah. Ako naman, what I learned is medyo deep. Parang I learned na to treasure what you have, diba? Shit, ang deep. Non-deep.
That's
Kasi, di ba parang dati, tinitake for granted mo yung parang minsan lalabas kayo with friends, sabi mo, di ako lalabas, tinatamad ako. Tapos ngayon na quarantine, di mo na sila nakikita masyado, di mo sila nakakasama. Namimiss mo sila. Video calls doesn't give that feeling, yung parang closeness.
Yeah.
Feel nyo, di ba? So, ayun, I learned that. And then, actually, ano bang ginawa ko ngayon?
Yeah. What have you been doing for the past few months? Especially since you're not at home, like at home.
Kaya, I'm in the province. Wala. Actually,
Oh,
dito lang
really?
ako nasa Tarlac ako
Mhm.
ngayon. And hindi gaano ka parang worse yung nangyari dito compared sa Metro Manila and some other places. So kasi parang ano dito dun sa place ko sa parang compound or village namin, parang strict talaga sila. So pero same guidelines pa rin. And parang alam mo, parang mas kalmado dito kasi nga province, yung simoy ng hangin,
Tahimik.
'di ba? Tahimik.
Yeah.
So parang hindi ka gaano stress, pero alam mo, online classes can be so stressful. I did pick up a hobby though. Actually, di na siya hobby. Passion na siya eh. Pero naging
Oh.
passion na
Wow.
siya. Bro,
What is
Tell
it?
us
cooking.
more.
Bro, cooking.
Oh, wow, cooking.
You always cook for us. Dude. You're like the mom of our.
Yeah,
What
bro.
dishes na naluto mo, Aaron?
First one is sinigang. And then, my mom taught me yung kare-kare. And then, care tawagan nila dito. Pero kare-kare. care. Yun.
Which one's your favorite?
Wala to. Actually, di ako mapili sa pagkain. Then wala din ako matawag na favorite.
I see.
So, pero if I were to choose, kunyari, I'd pick sinigang. The best. Yung parang asim niya, ganun.
Yeah. Kasi parang may warm feeling na
Yeah,
dala yung sinigang. So,
true. Pero cooking, man. Dati I was fit dati. Pero ngayong quarantine, parang I gained like 20 pounds, 30 pounds, I don't know.
Damn. Well-
Bro, as in, kain lang ng kain.
no one's stopping you kasi. Tsaka yung less exercise nga.
Well,
Yun.
I for one, I'm proud that I
Wow.
lost. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Congrats.
Damn!
Yo.
Damn, nice one.
Yeah. Ever since that's just the first time I just took working out seriously. Before I just
Yeah.
fuck it, whatever.
Those days na fit, no? Parang ngayon, like, if you gain a few pounds ngayong quarantine, like, ramdam mo yung bigat mo eh. Kasi you don't move that much, don't walk that much, diba? Usually, ang routine lang ngayon, gising sa umaga. Gawin mo yung morning routine mo, toothbrush, hilamos, then after that, klase na, diba? Kain, breakfast, kape. O, tas, that will, hanggang 4:30 yun, sabihin natin. Wala na. What's after 4:30? Wala na magagawa, di ba?
Yeah,
O
kasi
walang, higa ka lang. Tamang TikTok.
That's you.
your
Yeah,
life
that's
revolves
me.
inside the house.
That's me. So yun, parang looking back, no? We did so many things before. Then all of a sudden, boom, wala na. GG, well played. But still, I think this is a turning point in our lives na we need to be better. Better personally, individually, as a community, and as a nation. In one world. Amen.
Amen.
President, you're gonna run for president. Now that you're also
Yeah, I will.
You have my vote.
Psych. So, what else? What else did you guys do this quarantine? What else?
One thing I do miss that I haven't done in
Yeah.
a long time is play basketball.
What? Oh yeah,
I'm
sports.
playing basketball.
Game's really sporty.
I miss playing
Yeah.
basketball, especially with other people. It's so different just shooting outside my garage. You don't get the same like feeling,
Competitiveness.
when you're playing. Yeah, when you're playing like 3-on-3, 5-on-5, half court.
Yeah.
Well, in here, I just have one shooting spot and that's it. Just practice on that.
Yeah.
It's
True.
so different.
Ikaw, Rizal?
It
Like,
reminds-
nagsusports ka? Or...
No. Before lang. But then something I really miss noong ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
After class, na pupunta ako sa mall alone.
Wow.
It's really fun kasi I get to stroll around and then buy food.
Wait, alone? Alone?
Yeah, alone. Like,
it is relaxing naman to just chill at the mall, just
Yeah, chill lang.
unwind.
Kasi
Yeah.
you love your company lang. Like, yun.
Yeah.
True.
Like after class, sobrang stressful, and then something that you will have to look forward to.
True. Ako, one thing I miss siguro is, yung friends ko. Like you
Oh,
guys, then yung college
I
friends
miss
ko.
you.
I miss you. I miss you, bro. I miss you. You know that. Kasi, parang dati, parang every Friday. Ano ba ginagawa natin every Friday? Parang nagbi-meet up, di ba? Alam mo yung
But
every Friday,
I don't
gala,
well,
ganun.
sometimes you do it on Thursday because my schedule, I don't have classes on Friday.
Yeah.
So just after
Di
Thursday,
ba?
we just chill.
Tapos, alam mo yung mga times na after ng departmental exams nyo, sumaktong Friday, tapos
Eat
ano,
out ba?
parang, oo, eat out, walwal,
Yan.
kasi nga, stress kayo dun sa depex nyo. Tangin ang yan. Kasi nakakamiss talaga. Pero, let me ask this. Since ilang months na tayo wala sa school, like March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 9 months tayong wala sa school, which is like 2 terms or parang 4 terms na sa amin yun sa Mapua. What do you miss the most
About
sa school
school.
nyo? Or the school or about the school?
Kasi the vibes of my school for me is home talaga. So,
Yeah.
parang
Pero what's your
na-homesick
school?
ako.
What's your school?
De La Salle MHSI. It's really long.
Oh, HSI.
De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute. Yeah,
Yeah.
kasi I'm BS Biochem. So, sobrang stressful. We have moving exams pa. Nakakamiss din
Moving,
yung adrenaline.
moving exams, yung parang ginagawa sa
Yeah.
laboratory, ganun.
Yeah, definitely.
Per station.
Mm-mm. Na
Yeah.
parang you'll miss the adrenaline rush pa.
Yung panic
Mm.
na yung hindi ka pa nakakasagot.
Oo.
Yun,
Yung next
ganun.
na, tapos andun ka pa rin sa last question.
Oo. Yung nag-ring na yung bell, gano'n. Yung nire-ring yung bell yan, di ba? Yung,
Yeah.
yun.
Tapos yung library. Kasi we often spend our time there.
Yeah, library. Yun. Ikaw, Rafi. Like,
What I miss?
what do you miss?
Well, I don't miss the traffic. First of all, I hope there's no more traffic.
Taft, di ba? Taft?
Yeah.
Oh, LaSalle
Because
Taft.
my classes last term were all in the morning, so it didn't really affect me, the traffic. But
Yeah.
sometimes when I leave school, sometimes it's traffic, sometimes it's not. But it is what it is. What I do miss
True.
about I miss the environment. Well,
Oh.
the environment in a way, I don't miss it entirely, but
Paano
I
yung in
miss
a
it
way?
in a way. Because naman in high school. Well, I don't know about you guys, but every time I went to class, I had a schedule. I'll wake up at
Oh,
this
yeah.
time. I'll take a bath at this time. I'll eat breakfast at this time, and then the bus will pick me up at
Nice.
this time. Then I'll go home at the same time every day
Yeah.
and just have like an hour, 2 hours to do my homework and just repeat the next day. But what's different about in high school than it is in college? I control what I do every day.
Yeah.
Like you still have class schedules, but you don't have people to bring you to school anymore. You have to do it yourself. Your
Freedom,
home,
no? Freedom.
yeah, it's just freeing in a way. Just you get that sense na you're becoming an adult. You're becoming an adult,
Yeah,
and you have to
adulting. I see.
taking more responsibility and
Yeah.
everything. Like just everything you do. I miss just that. Just going to school every day because yeah, I do.
Do you have a specific favorite spot in around the LSU?
Yeah.
Oh, I do, but
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that spot.
Oh,
But
I see.
another favorite
Secret.
spot of mine is there's this restaurant. It's called I forgot the name, but there was this restaurant just right beside our building. So after class, me and my friends, we would just go there. We'll eat lunch and we'll play some cards because we can, and we'll just
Oh.
talk about stuff and
Yeah.
whatever. After that, just do whatever you want. You can go home.
Wait,
Uh,
I think I know this place. I think I know this place.
What's the place called again? I think you've been there before. We've been there before.
Oh yeah, we've been there. Yeah, pero di ata pwedeng sabihin eh.
No, you can. I just forgot the restaurant name. What was the restaurant name? I took you there before.
Yeah.
I just forgot.
Nakalimutan ko na rin eh. Yun. Damn, no? Those days.
Yeah. Those
Well,
days were just like a few months ago. We're talking about those days like it's like back in the year. Like
yeah, parang 3 years, no?
oh,
Yung sa akin
I don't know
naman.
about you guys, but like okay, yeah, go. I'll
Ano, sige, ikaw muna, bro.
I don't because in my building we have like it's like 20 floors, the whole building,
Oh,
20 floors.
yeah.
And like most of my classes are like the 10th, 11th,
Ooh,
16th floor, whatever. And
yeah.
there's like this time slot where you have to go to the elevators, or because unless you're late, just the elevators are gonna be lined up to the outside, and you're gonna be late for class.
Mm-mm.
I don't miss that too. I
This is
wish I
Henry
never
C, right?
the liberal arts building, whatever. I forgot the name.
Mm.
Well, sa akin naman, ano ba nami-miss ko sa Mapua? Siguro yung environment lang ng Intramuros. Kasi usually yung klase ko noon, nagsa-start siya ng mga 10, ganun. Then ang end ko mga bandang hapon na, alam mo yung parang golden hour pa tawag doon? You take a picture na sun-kissed ka
Yeah.
or something. Basta let's say golden hour yung tawag doon. And usually, like, gagala pa around Intramuros, tapos magbabike around Intramuros. Parang campus namin yung buong Intramuros eh. Like, every corner makita na taga Mapua doon. Saka alam mo na taga Mapua sila kasi wala silang uniform. Wala kaming uniform. So, parang identified mo na agad yung pag walang uniform, Mapua eh. Isang pinaka-namimiss ko is yung place na tinatawag na Reco. So, basta pag basta pag sinabi mong Reco, shoutout nga pala sa mga ka-Reco peeps ko dyan, kung nakikinig kayo. Sana makinig kayo. Yun. Pero, you know, nanakot pa eh, no? Hindi,
Oo
joke
nga
lang.
eh.
Pero yun, kapag sinabi mong tara Reco, alam na nila kung ano gagawin. So, parang secret na yun. So, kung taga Intramuros man kayo na nakikinig, or taga PLM, PLM, UDM ba yun? UDM, Letran, LPU, kapag sinabing Reco, alam niyo na yun. Yun. So, shoutout sa mga taga-Reco dyan. So, yun. Yun lang. That's what I miss. Yung parang the small things. Napakaliit na bagay, pero pag inisip mo, ang laki na. Ang laking
Means
contribution
a
sa
lot
buhay niyo
talaga.
nun.
While we're on the topic of school, because what do you guys think is the difference between being in college and being in high school?
That's a good question, bro. I think the biggest difference is yung freedom. Yung freedom. Like what you said kanina, 'di ba? Parang it gives you a sense of adulting. Kasi parang hindi na strict yung professor mo sa'yo eh. Kung pumasok ka, pumasok ka. Kung di ka pumasok, bahala ka sa buhay mo, 'di ba? So parang kung bumagsak ka man or what, like kasalanan mo talaga siya. May freedom ka nga sa college pero super high stakes naman yung magiging consequences mo if ever, di ba? If you abuse that freedom too much. Ikaw, like what do you think?
Well, one big difference is what we have to wear going to school.
Oh yeah,
When
true.
we're in
True.
college,
You guys don't have
nobody cares what you wear. Just wear whatever you want.
Yeah.
The whole my whole high school year, I have to wear these tight ass pants, these tight ass polo shirts, and even in the last 2 years of senior high, I
Brook
had to wear this
cardigan.
itchy ass cardigan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
cardigan na
hate
pa,
that.
no?
I never liked wearing that. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
never did.
Super hot pa sa emos.
Corridors.
Like,
Yun.
And the haircuts
Carousel.
too. You know
Ooh,
the haircuts, right?
yeah.
for
Yeah,
me
the haircut.
kasi,
The haircut.
high school really different in terms of puro lang siya memories. Like, kapag sa ACADS, it's okay lang na parang you can see, wait lang.
Go
From high
lang.
school kasi, more on friends and we had pa CAT noon junior high school. So, I really had a great experience with that one. Kasi,
Wait,
sobrang strict.
CAT?
Yeah, CAT. Noon junior high school.
Parang, ano yun? Ano yun?
It's got, like, i-train ka talaga to be,
Parang ROTC, ganun. Or,
yeah, like that.
ganun kayo? Wala tayong ganun, no, Rafi?
I don't recall.
Wala
There
sa,
was
nun.
Siguro that
Boy
was
Scouts
the
lang.
most, so that was the most memorable one for me.
Yeah.
Kasi nag-rappelling pa kami, so that was out of my comfort zone na. Super scary. And then ayun, from college kasi, puro ACADS yan talaga. ACADS, pag-uwi, ACADS, all day. But
Yeah.
then,
True.
wala, adulting din. Yeah, also.
the struggles of being a college student. No, I think we can make that as our next episode. So that's it for our first episode. Konting kamustahan lang. Konting tease
Yes.
lang sa inyo on what we have, on what we can bring, what we can bring to you guys. And for
We have a
sure,
lot more story. We have a lot more
yeah,
to tell you.
true.
Yo,
And for,
check it out, guys.
and for sure, parang makaka-relate talaga kayo sa mga pinag-uusapan namin dito sa The Quotidian. Like, Rizal, ano nga yung The Quotidian again?
It means every day.
Every
So
day.
technically,
Everyday talks. Everyday casual talks. If you want that.
mhm,
Or
lines
if
of
you
life,
want to like,
guys.
yeah. Gusto niyo yun.
One more
Kung
note.
gusto niyo yun.
While you guys are watching this, it's officially December 7th, and
Oh, yeah.
December 7 is the birthday of one of our dear hosts,
Rizel.
Giselle.
Yes.
This is the
You
awkward
will,
moment I was talking about.
will
No, let's
join
sing.
me
Let's
and
sing.
Aaron. We're gonna sing happy birthday for our fellow
Yeah.
host. Eh?
Yes,
Okay.
we will. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to you.
to you. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday
birthday
to
to
you.
you.
Thank you, guys. Very daming energy nun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks
Hindi,
for
hindi lang
having me, guys.
sabay-sabay. Hindi lang sabay-sabay, pero
We can work on that.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy
So once again, that's it for us. Thank you for listening, and we hope to catch you all soon. Or we hope that you always listen to us. I don't know. Bahala na.
And expect us to deliver at least one episode a month.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.